Good morning, all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today, going to continue for Standard 6, Chapter 5th, Formula and Function. In this chapter, I have discussed all the important topics along with the objective of this chapter, like as the fill in the blanks, true, false, and MCQ questions of this chapter. Today, going to detail with the first questions answer of this chapter. Okay, what is formula, and explain with the help of example. Formula established a relationship between two or more cells. It is an expression that can include all address, number, arithmetics, operators and parentheses. Using it, we can perform simple as well as the complex calculation. Here is the example. The example basic formula involves only one type of the operator in it to calculate the sum of the number in B2, B3, B4, B5 and display the result in the basics. Now question second, what is cell reference? Mention its types. Cell address in a formula is known as the cell reference. With the help of reference, we can find the values or data in the worksheet that we want to use in the formula. There are the three types of the cell reference: relative reference, absolute reference, mixed reference. Now question 3, mention the two ways of the entering a cell reference in a formula. Explain the difference between them. Two ways of the entering a cell reference in a formula are relative and absolute reference. A relative and absolute reference have the differences when we copied and filled the other cells. A relative reference change when a formula is copied to another cell. Absolute reference, on the other hand, remain the constant no matter where they are the copied. So these are the answer of the questions 3. Now question 4. Okay, explain the utility of function library. Microsoft Excel has clubbed all the functions in the function library group of formula tab. The worksheet functions are categorized by their functionally like math and text, date and time, etc. We can click a category to browse its functions. Now question number 6, explain circular reference with the help of example. A circular reference occurs when formula in a cell refers to its own cell values directly or indirectly. For example, if we enter the formula A1 plus A2 multiply 3 in cell A2, we are making the formula to refer to its own cell values, which is not possible. Now question number 6. Question number 7. What do you mean by the function, and name some of the function. Function are the pre-designed formula in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. Functions save time and eliminates the chance to write wrong formulas. All functions must begin with the equal sign. Name of the sum function are AutoSum, average and max today's. Now question 8. What are the rules to enter a formula? all Excel functions must begin with the plus sign, and function name must be a valid Excel name, for example sum, average, and function must be followed by an opening and closing parenthesis. The arguments are enclosed in the parenthesis. Example sum a1 colon a5. So these are the questions of the question answer of the chapter 5th. Thank you. Have a nice day.